Hello and welcome to another dashcam video from Adventures with TCS. My name is Tom and today be right along with me as I drive west on I-80. But first of all, I'd like to tell you how excited I am to share with you these videos from my 2022 trip to Western Nevada and far eastern California. I hope you guys will enjoy riding along with me, and if you do, I'd always appreciate a like or a comment to encourage me as I try to travel down all the best highways that America has to offer. So in today's part of this trip, we'll continue our way west in Wyoming as we drive from Cheyenne to Laramie. Along the way, we'll enter the Rocky Mountains as we cross over the Laramie Mountains, where I-80 will reach its highest elevation point. Also, don't forget that included in this video are, of course, lots of fun facts about our route in Wyoming, as well as a trivia question. This upcoming trip will feature a little bit of everything as we travel to some new and familiar places, including US 50 in Nevada, a scenic byway with an expensive nickname, 3 beautiful national parks, and of course my favorite states of Utah and Colorado. If you're new here today, I hope this video earns me your subscription so you continue joining me on my adventures. New videos will be posted here every couple of days, and if you missed any of the ones before this, you can catch up by clicking the playlist link in the description. Also, if you like this video and similar content, please help me out by giving it a like or sharing it with someone. It really helps me grow my channel and allows more people to enjoy this content. Lastly, the video description has a ton of information that will be helpful, like what's upcoming on this trip, my social links, and also ways you can help make more videos like these possible. So make sure to check it out. Now that is all taken care of, I'm going to keep driving west on I-80 in the great state of Wyoming. that's it for this video, and thanks so much for watching until the end. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please help me out by clicking that like button and maybe sharing it with a friend. In the next video from this amazing trip, we'll continue our westward trek on I-80 in the state of Wyoming, so make sure you're subscribed so you can join me on that adventure. But for now, thanks again for watching, and until our paths meet again, stay adventurous.